today to showcase another wig. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sherelle. If you like what you see towards the end of the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you are subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today I'm going to be showcasing a pre-cut unit. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Idnhair Natural. I'll make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Of course, your unit does come in this drawstring bag. And then this is the unit right here. This is looking a little dark. Maybe it's just on camera. But this is a Yaki texture. It's a 5x5 HD closure. It states that it is 180% in density. And this is also 20 inches in length. Also looking like this unit does come with those textured edges. Now, this is a light Yaki texture. So I'm gonna have to see how this texture edges is gonna go, because sometimes I don't feel like texture edges need to go on every wig, especially if they are not going to match the texture of the hair. But y'all know I'm gonna make it do what it do. As far as cap construction goes, you get your 2 combs on the side. You'll get a comb in the back. Can y'all see that? Boom, focus. Okay, you also get a comb in the back. You get your adjustable strap. You also get your removable elastic band. And I also like that you still get that silicone base down here to make it comfortable. Also get this like ventilated cap. I don't mind these caps at all. I know some people don't care for them, but they usually fit comfortable on my head. And it looks like they already pre-bleached the knots, and that's just an up close of those textured edges. So I am loving the texture on this hair. Like, this hair feels really good. But this up here, I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling that at all. It's just, it don't go together. It just don't. Now this already comes as a left side part. I think the parting space on this is looking good. Let's see what the other parting space looks like. You can definitely part this in the middle. And then you can part that on this side. So if you don't want the left part, you're gonna be good to go. I do need to cut some more of this lace off right here. And yeah. And this is, like I said, looking really dark on me. Let me see if this is a natural color. It does not say on the card, but it's definitely giving me 1B vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit together, and then of course you guys will see the final look, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. see, I installed this unit using my Even New York spray. To me, that is still considered a glueless install because if I just sprayed a little bit of water, rubbed it in, it's going to pop right off. I like to take my units off at night. I do not like to sleep in my units at all. No ma'am, no way. Be outside in the heat all day and be busy and you know you're going to sweat, then you definitely want to go in with something a little bit stronger. As the lace goes, this does come pre-plucked. I just had to cut off a little bit more on the sides because I feel like if I would have sprayed that down, you definitely would have been able to see it. But I feel like the lace blended in well to my skin. Now, as far as these edges go, it is going to be totally up to you on how you want to style the edges. I just feel like with this type of texture, the edges just were not needed. If you are going to rock them, I do suggest going in and just kind of straightening them out a little bit. Not too much to where you want to take away the texture, but enough for it to match and blend with the texture on this unit. So I just hot combed it back and then I lightly swooped it over on this side right here, and then I just placed my elastic band on top, and once everything kind of marinated in, this is just how it looks. So I didn't have to do too much to the front of the hairline. Now initially I was going to go in and pluck it out, but I was like, let me see what it looks like if I push all the hairs back, because sometimes you'll pluck out too much of the textured edges, and then once you pull the hair back, you be like, yeah, I shouldn't have plucked out so much. But I feel like they did a good job with plucking out the hairline. I didn't have to go in and do anything. I just added some powder to my parting space area, and then I did move the parting over to the right side just because I prefer right side parts when it comes to my units. Think about moving the parting space over, I did have to go in between the lace area and just kind of press out the hair. And then right back here, it was just getting a bit too humpy. It did not want to lay down. So I went in with some mousse and I just kind of blow dried everything down. And that mousse also helped with the flyaways because the flyaways were not playing on this side of the unit. Like, it did not want to lay down at all. But I feel like the mousse definitely got it together. I didn't want to have to go in with too much wax because I didn't want it to come off too shiny. Shedding and tangling goes, I did receive some shedding with this unit. It was very light, and I'm also getting some snags with this unit, especially towards the ends of this hair. I highly suggest going in with some serum just to kind of help it have the sleek and straight look. It does state to be 180% in density. I feel like this one has a great everyday natural density. It's not too thin, but it's also not too heavy. I would kind of categorize this as like 160% in my opinion. The length on this is nice. When it comes to the Yaki textures, I don't mind it being a little bit longer, and I'm only 5'2" for reference. I wish that the color was coming off a little bit more natural because it does look darker on me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Are you feeling this one? If you are feeling this one, I'm gonna make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.